Dear students, welcome to Cramster.
Laws of exponents. Multiplication of powers with a common base. If the exponents with common base are multiplied, then exponents are added together. A raised to m into a raised to n equal to a raised to m plus n. A by b whole raised to m into a by b whole raised to n equal to a by b whole raised to m plus n. We will consider some examples. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2. Here base are same, so we will add the exponents, that is exponent here is 3 and it is 2 here. So we will add the exponents 3 plus 2. So the answer will be 2 raised to 5. Second example, x raised to 3 into x raised to 6. Here base is x, which are same for both the term. So we will add the exponents, that is 3 and 6. So the answer will be x raised to 9. Third example, minus 7 raised to 10 into minus 7 raised to 12. So we will add the exponents, that is 10 plus 12. So the answer will be minus 7 raised to 22. Next example is 4 by 9 raised to 3 into 4 by 9 raised to 2. We will add the exponents, that is 3 plus 2. So the answer will be 4 by 9 raised to 5. Dividing exponents with the same base. To divide the exponents with the same base, we need to do subtraction of exponents. A raised to m by a raised to n equal to a raised to m minus n. A by b whole raised to m by a by b whole raised to n equal to a by b whole raised to m minus n. We will consider some examples. Example 1. 10 raised to 5 by 10 raised to 3. Here the base is 10. So we will consider the exponents and we will subtract it. The answer will be 10 raised to 2. Second example, 7 by 2 whole raised to 8 by 7 by 2 whole raised to 5. Since the base are same, we will consider the exponents and we will subtract it. Then the answer will be 7 by 2 whole raised to 3. Next example is x raised to 8 by x raised to 2. We will consider the exponents and we will subtract it. Then the answer will be x raised to 6. Next example is y raised to 5 by y raised to 1. We will subtract the exponents and we will get the answer as y raised to 4. The law of power of a power. We need to multiply the powers in case of an exponential number in raised to another power. A raised to m whole raised to n equal to a raised to m into n. We will consider some examples. 3 raised to 2 whole raised to 4. Here the powers are 2 and 4. So we will multiply the powers, that is 2 into 4. Then the answer will be 3 raised to 8. Second example is 2 by 3 whole raised to 3 whole raised to 2. The base here is 2 by 3. So we will consider the powers 3 and 2 and we will multiply it. So the answer will be 2 by 3 whole raised to 6. Third example, x raised to 4 whole raised to 3. Here the exponents are 4 and 3. So we will multiply it and the answer will be x raised to 12. Fourth example, x raised to a whole raised to b. Here the exponents are a and b. So we will multiply it and the answer will be x raised to ab. The law of multiplication of powers with different base but same exponents. A raised to m into b raised to m equal to ab whole raised to m. We will consider some example. 4 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. Here the base are 4 and 2 which are different. So we will multiply the base. Then the answer will be 8 raised to 3. Second example, minus 2 raised to 3 into minus 3 raised to 3. Exponents are same but the base are different. So we will multiply the base. Then the answer will be 6 raised to 3. Third example, root 6 raised to 4, root 7 raised to 4 and root 8 raised to 4. We have to multiply these three terms. Here the exponents are same, that is 4. Base are different, that is root 6, root 7 and root 8. So we will multiply the base and the answer will be root 336 raised to 4. Next example, 2 by 3 raised to 7 into 4 by 5 raised to 7 into 6 by 9 raised to 7. Here the base are different and the exponents are same. So we have to multiply the base, that is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 into 6 by 9 whole raised to 7 and the answer will be 48 by 135 whole raised to 7. The law of negative exponents. When an exponent is negative, we change it to positive by writing 1 in the numerator and the positive exponent in the denominator. A raised to minus n equal to 1 by a raised to n. AB whole raised to minus n equal to 1 by AB whole raised to n, which is equal to b by a whole raised to n. We will consider some example. 5 raised to minus 2. We can write it as 1 by 5 raised to 2. Then 1 by 5 raised to 2 will be equal to 1 by 25. Example 2. 3 raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to minus 3. We can write 3 raised to minus 2 as 1 by 3 raised to 2 and 2 raised to minus 3 as 1 by 2 raised to 3. Then the answer will be 1 by 9 into 1 by 8, that is 1 by 72. Next example, 3x square whole raised to minus 4. We can write this term as 1 by 3x square whole raised to 4. Then the answer will be 1 by 3 raised to 4 into x raised to 2 whole raised to 4. Then the answer will be 1 by 81 into x raised to 2 into 4, that is x raised to 8. Next example, minus 3xy cube whole raised to minus 2. We can write the term as 1 by minus 3xy cube whole raised to 2. Then it will be equal to 1 by minus 3 the whole square x the whole square into y raised to 3 the whole square. Then the answer will be 1 by 9x square y raised to 6. Next example, x raised to minus 3 by y raised to minus 4. We can write x raised to minus 3 as 1 by x raised to 3 and y raised to minus 4 as 1 by y raised to 4. Then the answer will be 1 by x raised to 3 into y raised to 4 by 1, the reciprocal of this term. Then the answer will be 5 raised to 4 by x raised to 3. The law of exponent 0. If the exponent is 0, then the answer will be 1. Fractional exponents. In the fractional exponents, the general formula is a raised to 1 by n equal to n root of a, where a is the base and 1 by n is the exponent. We will consider some example. 4 raised to 1 by 1 equal to 4. 4 raised to 1 by 2 will be equal to square root of 4, which is equal to 2. 9 raised to 1 by 3 equal to cube root of 9. Root 9 into root 9 will be equal to 9 raised to 1 by 2 into 9 raised to 1 by 2. That is, here the base are same. So we will add the exponents, that is 9 raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 9. Cube root of 8 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 8 equal to 8 raised to 1 by 3 into 8 raised to 1 by 3 into 8 raised to 1 by 3, which is equal to 8.